to film a quick update on what's going on now. Got the block in here, ratcheted down, getting ready to send it to the machine shop, get some work done. And we'll go in here. I'm going to include a few more components with that. Gotta pack these up real quick. Water pump and just a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure if that guy is going to want them or what, but I'm bringing a bunch of stuff. And here is the main piece. These are 390 cubic inch heads. So got 2 new heads with matching part numbers. These should bolt right on to that one, as in I checked they do, but since the block is 331 cubic inch, this is 390 cubic inch, so the diameter here is bigger on these heads, which means the block is going to need to be machined to make the cylinder diameter this diameter pretty much, and I'm going to get machine shop work done on all this, make sure everything's cleaned up, make sure the block's cleaned up, and it's going to need all new internals because the ones that are there obviously are for a smaller cubic inch. So yeah, just wanted to film a quick video before I head over to the shop. All right.